Red Ganoderma is a rare medicinal herb with many wonderful uses for human health. It helps strengthen the immune system, reduce stress, improve sleep, and elevate the spirit. Red Ganoderma also supports the cardiovascular system, reduces bad cholesterol, enhances blood circulation, and has strong antioxidant properties, helping to slow down the aging process. In addition, Red Ganoderma also supports liver function, helps purify the body, and can help prevent and support the treatment of some types of cancer. With these diverse benefits, Red Ganoderma is a valuable medicinal herb in traditional medicine. Red Ganoderma cultivation techniques. Selecting varieties and growing environment. The process of growing red lingsy mushrooms begins with selecting good, healthy mushroom varieties with clear origins. These mushroom varieties are often cultured in the laboratory to ensure they are disease-free and have the ability to grow strongly. The environment for growing red lingsy mushrooms needs to be carefully prepared, with growing media such as sawdust, straw, or rotten wood that has been treated to remove impurities and harmful bacteria. Humidity, temperature, and light in the mushroom growing room are strictly controlled and regularly adjusted to create ideal conditions for mushroom growth. Care process. During the growth process, red lingsy mushrooms need to be carefully monitored and cared for. Humidity must be maintained at 70-85. The ideal temperature is around 25-28 degrees Celsius, and the light needs to be adjusted to simulate the natural day-night cycle. Watering and providing nutrients must be done regularly to ensure healthy growth and high-quality mushrooms. Harvesting red Ganoderma mushrooms. Harvesting time and technique. Red Ganoderma mushrooms are usually harvested after about 2-3 months of planting, when the mushroom caps have reached their optimal size and the surface is smooth, without white powder. Harvesting techniques must be done carefully to avoid damaging the mushroom caps and reducing quality. The mushroom caps are cut close to the base, then cleaned to remove impurities on the surface. Sorting and storage. After harvesting, mushrooms are classified according to size, color, and quality. The qualified mushroom caps will be transferred to the processing stage, while the unqualified mushroom caps can be used for other purposes. Red Ganoderma mushrooms are stored in cool, dry conditions to avoid mold and retain nutrients. Red Ganoderma processing. Drying. The red Ganoderma processing begins with the drying stage. The mushrooms are dried using freeze-drying or low-temperature drying technology to preserve the valuable active ingredients and natural flavor. Freeze-drying technology is especially useful because it does not destroy the important enzymes and organic compounds in the mushrooms. Powdering and packaging. After drying, red Ganoderma can be ground into powder or sliced, depending on the intended use. Red Ganoderma powder is often used to make tea, functional foods, or cosmetics. The final product is packaged and sealed, moisture and light-proof packaging for long-term preservation, ensuring quality and food hygiene and safety. Quality control. During the entire growing, harvesting, and processing process, modern factories always apply strict quality control procedures. Each batch of products is tested to ensure that there are no pesticide residues, harmful bacteria, or other impurities. This helps ensure that the products reaching consumers are always safe and of the highest quality. Conclusion. Growing, harvesting, and processing red reishi mushrooms in modern factories not only creates products of superior quality, but also contributes to increasing economic value and sustainable development. Advanced technology combined with strict quality control processes help bring the best red reishi mushroom products, meeting the increasing demands of the market and consumers.